If there's anything else this pandemic has taught us, it is the value of staying inside. And so we're going to interrupt the Note 20 show right now for a special field report from our technical analyst, Bella Rose, as she takes us inside the device to show us what it is truly made of. Bella Rose, over to you.
Well, thank you, Banky. A good place to start, I think, will be the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. The device is a 6.7-inch smartphone that has a 1080 by 2400 resolution. It also has a punch hole camera right in front, which gives it a pretty nice display real estate, and it is a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus front screen. The back of the device is Glastic, as they choose to call it. Talking about storage, the Note 20 is an 8GB RAM device with 256GB of internal memory, which is not expandable. Now let's talk about the camera on the Note 20. On the front, it's a 10-megapixel selfie camera, and on the back, it is a 3-level camera with 12 megapixels, and 64 megapixels respectively. Now all of this comes together to give you as much as 30 times zoom feature that takes you about 30 steps closer to whatever you're trying to capture on the device. Battery, 4,300 milliamp hours, and it's also got a fast charging feature. We're used to that already. Now the colors the Note 20 will come in are Mystic Gray, Mystic Green, and Mystic Bronze. Pretty cool. Let's now talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now the device is a 6.9-inch 1440 by 3088 OLED display screen with 120 Hz. Also, the Note 20 Ultra comes in a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus screen and a stainless steel metal frame that goes around the edges and gives it a rather sturdy grip. Let's now talk about the camera features on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The punch hole 10-megapixel front-facing camera is pretty cool, but the back-facing camera, really phenomenal. It is 12 megapixels, 108 megapixels, and 12 megapixels respectively. All of this comes together to give it a 50 times zoom feature that takes you about 50 steps closer to whatever objects you are trying to capture. Now, if you're a gamer, you are going to particularly love the Note 20 series. The Note 20 Ultra also is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which is designed for better performance by at least 10% for gaming and AI applications. Now, all of this speed and swiftness is much better than any device out there in the market. On storage, the Note 20 Ultra also is powered with an 8GB space of RAM and as much as 512GB of internal memory, which is also expandable using an SD card. The battery power on the Note 20 Ultra is 4,500 mAh. The Note 20 Ultra will come in 3 variants: Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze, and Mystic White. Now let's talk about the S Pen. The S Pen on both devices, of course, has more lifelike precision that gives a lot more accuracy and responsiveness. At 9 milliseconds, which is the latency on the Note 20 Ultra, the S Pen is equally responsive on the Note 20 at 26 milliseconds. Now the tip is 0.7 millimeters, which is very, very tiny and equally responsive. Still on the S Pen, it comes with 5 very interesting anywhere actions. These 5 new customizable gestures expand on the capabilities offered by the Air actions that we saw in the last Note device. The new remote controls allows you as a user to customize new actions for back, home, recent apps, smart select, and screen write. And of course, it makes navigating and presenting much easier no matter which app you are using on the smartphone. And back to you, Banky. This is Bella Rose from TechCity reporting from the inside of the Samsung Note 20 series.
Thank you very much, Bella. Guys, you have seen and heard it all, but you really need to experience it. The Galaxy Note 20 is not just a smartphone. It is a power-packed phone that empowers your work and your play. It is available for pre-order from August 14th to August 27th. And for a limited time, if you pre-order the Galaxy Note 20, you get a free pair of Buds Live. The phone is available everywhere from August 28th. So don't delay, don't waste time. Get your pretty hands on a Galaxy Note 20 device. I'm it, yeah, I'm it, yeah.